Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we bring you two major stories shaping conversation across South Sudan. First, we look at the ongoing special court hearing in Juba, where the army said it lost military equipment worth more than $58 million during the Nasser attack, an operation the government linked to the Nuer army and force loyal to Dr. Riek Machar. Then we move to the second story, the political journey of Dr. Chol Deng Ton Abel, a man many South Sudanese now call the political yo-yo because of his constant appointment and removal from government position. Before we start with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin with the Nasser attack court hearing. The special court in Juba continues to work on one of the most talked about cases this year, the case involving suspended first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other senior figures. The government said the attack on the army base in Nasser back in March 2025 caused huge loss of life and destroyed expensive military equipment. This week, the court heard from one of the key witnesses, Major Peter Malwal Deng of the South Sudan People Defense Forces. According to his testimony, the attack was violent, well-planned, and left the army with major losses. Let's take a closer look at what he told the court today. Major Deng told the court that 257 soldiers died as PDF soldiers during the attack. 16 others survived but were badly injured and taken to the army hospital for treatment. Among those killed was one of the top military officers in Nasser, Major General David Majudak. His death became one of the most emotional points in the hearing, as photograph and video were later shown in court. Losing more 250 soldiers in a single attack is not a small event. It raises every question about what exactly happened in Nasser, whether the attack was expected or not. The witness also gave a long and detailed list of military equipment the army say were destroyed, taken or damaged during the Nasser attack. This includes over 500 AK-47 rifle, RPG launcher, heavy machine guns, mortar, mounted armor vehicles, communication equipment, truck and land cruisers, 2 large generators, and many other items. According to the army, the total value of these losses is around $58.7 million, one of the largest single battlefield losses reported in a year. Remember, this testimony came from the prosecution side, and the defense team will still give their own responses. Who planned the attack? Army allegations. The court also had serious allegations from Major Deng. He told the judge that South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) had informed SPLA-IO leadership about a planned troop rotation in Nasser. According to him, the army had asked for safe passage. Instead, he claimed that some senior SPLA-IO officials used that information to organize the attack. The name mentioned included Lieutenant General Gabriel Lam Duop, or Gabriel Doblam, Lieutenant General Yedak, General Dilinkek. These are some of the highest ranking officers in the opposition camp. Major Deng also said these individuals did not report the movement of the Nuer army or prevent the attack. All these claims are still part of the ongoing court process. One of the most dramatic moments in the hearing was the story of the failed rescue mission for Major General David Majudak. According to the witness, a UN aircraft was sent to airlift the general out of Nasser. But the plane came under fire. Photos shown to the court display bullet holes in the navigation system. According to the information during the court hearing, 6 SSPDF soldiers who tried to rescue the general were injured. A Ukrainian flight attendant was killed. The pilot and navigator were also wounded. Images shown in the court included the general body and the injured soldiers. These visuals reportedly moved many people in the courtroom. Videos played during the hearing showed 2 disturbing scenes. One video from 7 March 2025 reportedly showed 6 SSPDF soldiers who were captured and later killed. Another clip showed white army fighters celebrating inside a captured land cruiser at the Nasser garrison. There were also photos from April 2025 showing the army retrieving bodies and burying soldiers in a mass grave after retaking the base. Major Deng told the court that an army investigation committee concluded the attack was pre-planned by opposition. The findings were said to be based on military intelligence report, monitoring teams, and witness account. He also mentioned what the committee called negative propaganda from MP Gadwi Lampoch, who suggests that soldiers being replaced in Nasser were militia, not trained troops. The witness accused Dr. Riek Machar of failing to control his troops, failing to protect captured soldiers, and failing to condemn the killing. The special court has adjourned and will continue on 28 November 2025. That is when the defense lawyer will question Major Deng and challenge the claim he made. The defendant includes Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other senior figures. As always, Changfied News will cover what happened next. Let's move on to our second top story, Dr. Chol, the political yo-yo. Now to our second story, a lighter but still important look at governance in South Sudan. Many citizens have noticed how often some officials are appointed, removed, and then appointed again. But no one stands out more than Dr. Chol Dengton Abel, a man whose government career has been full of sudden change. Dr. Chol has been appointed to senior government role more than 10 times in the past 12 years, sometimes staying for only months before being replaced and then coming back again. The latest example happened this month. On 10 November 2025, he was removed from petroleum and sent to water resources as a technical advisor. Then only 2 weeks later, on 25 November, he was removed from water resources and taken back to petroleum as undersecretary. For many South Sudanese, this felt like watching a political tennis match. Beyond the political drama, Dr. Chol is actually one of the most academically qualified official in the country. He holds a PhD in hydro engineering and has worked on a major project. His achievements include starting the construction of Nalped modern headquarters, leading the building of Juba tallest tower, initiating the first oil refinery project in South Sudan. These are not a small contribution, and they may explain why he keeps coming back into government role. For many citizens, Dr. Chol represents the wider problem of instability in government position. When leaders change too often, projects get interrupted, plans stop, and progress becomes slow. But at the same time, others said his constant appointment show that he is capable and trusted. As we follow the special court hearing and the ongoing political reshuffling, we always remember that these events affect real people, real institutions, and the future of South Sudan. Thank you for watching Changfied News. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Changfied. Biakamal Gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel. Ban rache katin kona lat Korolian. Ken kono ni ami jirama jidid Gwasame gore jeno jin. There subscribe kode notification bell there je twine comment mi ci bare Gwasame da ci amala shube kiji. Bi gorban an wajin bi video bi jalla ka bi je share. Chana je tok look Dr. Machar and cha lugan walle re which ka juba. An walle a chanka jandang ro with bakel ka pai welkel ron kin dangro with jandang ro de dich. Re wiki juba cha special code hearing ka kwi Dr. Machar cha nyog mo to ka je. An luga me lung mi cha ngaje ne dial cha ngaje international community ka cha ngaje locally. Cha ngach ndo badan en yan ka Dr. Machar ken ne dangbarotin content lokare which ka juba en wo ne me a siyasa ki politically motivated code hearing. Shikume shikala do ne na ta dan shiken Dr. Machar shiken gwain ka je en walle ka ta dan chinaro ka je re lokomo me biya kula linga ke lode. Shikume kirm yadi shikala do ne akani based den shal ke we yara du metere we ka Nasir chaja ma ka jen pai dok ron kin dangro jen dangro de dich wan mi mo cha tekene di sha nek tin ke chi ne ding wan ye ding wan chi ka batin wen mo chala du shiramadan en la witness wul michel ke major Peter Malwal Deng ram kel mi mo ran SSPDF ki akwer ka South Sudan People Defense Force la kwe de ni ten wen mo jen shela do ne ta dana che testimony de che latin yanta ye ci korje to gaje shi de intin wan ci gariyaran wena mo ajen shi de ni chop ko kudang rawi de jandang de baro shi ke liwre kore da ni shi to shi kan lare no shi kan were de inta to ci kan de ni dang bakel kan de dang bakel to cha mo ko bordit du no de indi kudang rawi de baro ke de ni sha nak gwade da ne sha Nasir Garrison me chal ke wi yara di cha ja dekten ajo mo chajalat kan de indang bakele ti chala do kare which kujuba tiga duel wal gwad mi kan treatment tin kan e ko na sha yiken chakabat sha Major General David Majuda cha la de jengude me gwad dan rajan yam natin sha jo mo chajalat ware court kemen cha lugun walle sha turu ni tun wan cha ka nyot cha David Majuda cha ja nyot gwad se dan e ci yedi jenten ko geke dial ala evident dial ko akale display niam nene dial ko ba ngaje medan chore lat ngai kon dial en wo kormi che tola ne tun wala yiken kana button ci den ci yiken ci button ka ci nwer waya mi ba shi gluten ci kormo che to gwana dial gwade dan ci korje to ten baray na malat kare wiki jubba roy ne na ka kwi kel karwade kwi de ni ci na roy ke civilian tin ko ne ci liw gadin ci liw men ci liw dong tin ci liw re kormo ne nete konde sha bukare ni ala tel malat ke kwidien lat ke ni kwide ni kudangro jendang di barotin kone ala do no ci yeken ci ga jien gwade dan ci ko tokten cina lat cina ro ke kwin wer wayami cina ro ke kwi gana tin kone anek way ni na ke kwide ni karodien ka jo chalat gwaseme wa kure dan ci tokte ke kwaktun wande ci riarten kan kwakato wa chub yoken 58.7 million US dollar 58.7 million US dollar ke yotu wanlong witness ndana ci roy gwaseme ci la do nene ajani kwakte ci riar ere kore dan la kwak de ni ci la do nene ajani ci match AK47 to ke match chop ko kudang dich ashi kare har kan ka jek akane ka maj RPG ni ti ci bat kan jek ke machine gun ke motor ano ke turbil man la wida te ka maj ken communication equipment ala nying liang ci radio ne no ka turbil ma truck ke land cruiser ken bati ken ka generator chop ko rawti dit ken item to wan ti ci bat ke kwak to wan yi bat gwade dan ci ko yi toktin mi ci kan kamada ci kan yuke ni gane jegano ka yuri shop ke 58.7 million US dollar ci kala no jen chengan yam ko obi tin wan ci kede ti bi ka bas wakur liangana me mling yana me Ramadan ci roj Right Ramadan and going Dr. Machar can nega dang baro. A persecution team and a mem raja, a persecution side, can lat going in a man. Can defend lawyer, Dr. Machar, can idiot, can corrode any defend. We can cross examination, we can a lot deal jack again, look at that women kokor guasen bay. Mode, sai shalinga, a doberan and shalat, and it in contilla dini, tin could testify cord and wale. A chinaro guasemen who anga me chidwobri aleka ko ba kor bajeto. Chimejo deng che kuma spela yo che chaka gwany. Chela de wonena SSPDF kan ka laler no a GSPLI no te kurmi be kaka. But chikala na jen wonena Ishi SSPDF chicken SPLI chicken can informed and will take a troop rotation malatke ke take a danger babu will to babu get to January we can Nasser. Ka job charat gwaseme a chuji SPLI chukala no telari ka kebe kan de SSPDF ba ka jago gwada dan and to base the entetin. Rai we can Nasser ala we yara do. Shu can write a GSPLI official Kennedy Niken ka chwa na mo chwa jeno. Ka chu kan la no tel Riek bene ro dar yaleka bene ke receive ko bene ke no gwada danan ba men buga wotin lo teram buga nyot jen tay dan inshallah rigen wo kina me chatwo kan de ko inshallah enu china ro keke ano te chi la do dong de ken information me de kan jako der chu wa instead of dong de kan la de kan gor jen de ni SSPD abde ko chu gwada dan de ko wotin wachi SPLI official cha chu kin chagalat eno take titin watch you can where I am you can galar ramanya macha gwany Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam Lieutenant General Yedak and Lieutenant and General Dilinkak ne ti kan ko na cha gwany no ngany mandan le rode waken ka highest ranking officer ko kuma SPLIO chaka gwany Major Deng Ramadan la winna sen chirwajin walle chela do nene jene kan etiti kan lat no kan ala de gwanwo men bro de lat no kan GSSPDF kan ngi jogo no take norway amite ba garrison ke wiyara du ba jama kan lar so bel ke ngum kan ya lar no take norway ami tibe ban ngake je gwanwo korichi garodian la naga tungwan no ngay actually en go be korba talk ke be nuer wa yami be ka dilben kata yen yami che korya talk je ano me chala do cha torgele chaje nak ngay kene but bel ken kuma SPLIO ano tiji SPLIO tiken ka tetten ko kan SSPD ab kan informed wasame men shinaro tin jode longo do badanen shi mission che fail ke je ala risk mission e dane de nere ti de ko nang ka jube ka je ke de gam nang malakal gwade dane cha UN aircraft cha je jakko der na der ko pick up ke der ko nang der ka nang gwada de nang tin ka jo ma cha la de jin witness tame deng Gerald deng chela do ne cha UN aircraft cha je jakko der general maju dak der jo non kan ne ka Nasser adundo re nyal ne ka chop de wa cho barje shikan gwati shabar kay yen airplane navigation system plan mo kere nyala mo wate ka gwati chajek tijide men shiga choten ko chere ala gwada nyi na gaje re nyal te kuje mi kuna ala te kuje melo dwai ke de gwada dana weten ko jen gwada ante de ni SSPD up tigeten so ci de ci ko chup kake wachi ken ga torke ci ken ga nyot gwa court ke en wale dene dang bakalen kona sha tin chala do take a boat la sik SSPD soldier waken tiken ka boat and when mo shik boat ken ga jek ano chiram ke la Ukrainian flight attendant chajane ko gwada mo jaram dal ran UN ke ne re kona tigarenial cha Ukrainian flight attendant mo chajane kan wenmo ka cha pilot ba chaje mo ko bodon gwatamo pilot ken navigator wa cha mo ko bodon gwa ko re dana ci twok cha video no wan cha ka nyot no video kel a video change dan ala changa doka pay baro ron kin dangro jandanga ro diech what menyo de ken 6 SSPDF soldier ti chala do chaga kep ka chaga nagan gwasmo cha video ma cha nyot ke nyok video radien queen wer wayami e wallet ken celebration me shika wi yara diu kana kef tigare land cruiser ka Nasir garrison tuni chala do cha share online ka gwasidan cha ka kole kan dia ti cha ga jago keve den cha ga nyos gwadadan lat ke look malat ke lukten anyok bane cha tur ko ken cha nyot ba ka jen pai ngwan 2025 gwad mi mo nyot ka ponya de inte konte cha techi yeken jen gwada ko ye tokten ti chala do cha dobe cha ko ngi kai cha ga nyot ba are lokomone shi major den chela do ne na chani kon to gwalo ci ga jogo ne na ala investigation committee shi kan angaje no cha ci kuma spela yo akane kon maka na ke kane kon ticketed I can based on military intelligence report ka tam ci kan jega je a major den ko jomo ko jala no tija spela yo tiken ka titten was mi cha ka monitorten ka cha jomo cha jala da jaram ko kon ra ka kwide me ramkel mi cha gwan MP Gadwi Lampoch wa mishila no jaram dan lado chiji SSPDF chikan wore wichin winimi commercial ke troop rotation no wa gerna wa chi jene la tilano wa gorje no ba mekun ba ka kef anyok ishi MP Gadwi Lampoch members of parliament ka kuma SPLA yo chela do kan de jakati ka de ni kan train ko kan de ndi chala do kan ka jia gwelek force kana bishop detail basic training ke jodan chelat shuda me she da kuma cha je gwanyen wo kan de ni ka kana ka lonka control kana norwaya mi kana ka lonka control ka jenbo kana taye dana che kore to je kana je condemn ke kana la do me chiro la de meja ban ngai kono no reng ma chane gwaze dana ko ye to je to ayo yen tela do me dong der condemn de je lat ke je ka tere ti je kaman chalat gwase me cha special code hearing cha jaka o baje kap jok ka changa dang ro badak ko pay welkel ronkin dang ro jen dang ro de diech ajen gwaze dana ba wude chalka me major deng ba jo titin mala witness ba jo tich defend lawyer dakang Machar ka ta dana ci roy ke je gonyo kuma spela yo ke je ke gonyo bon dakang Machar ke je kaneten kontin local dien dakang Machar ke ne dang barotin kontin la senior figures ko kuma spela yo gwase me ka Changfied YouTube channel bunaya cover tindi ala konde lat korodian ray wichin with me lere jwa gwase me bala dungu Michel ka Dr. Chol the political yo wude me chala do jen chaje kwan ka cha nyok kam chaje wuje ne ka chwa nyom mo kwan ke jela ja wuje ka ba nyok mo kwan ke je no Dr. Chol Dengton awajen mi cha wuje nyok mo ke je ka gwas na me da la jen lere jwa ka kon Dr. Chol jen waramila senior government mi cha jen cha kwan ni ka wel ke past 12 years wajen la ja wuje donc ba te ka kor pat ka kor bay nyok malat ke je wi kwam nyok ka kan latest example takti ka jen chanka wel ka pay wel kelme ronkin daw yen dang ro dich jen cha je watch ala ka petroleum ka cha ja ka wet resource cha ja ka technical advisor ka kor jong dang ro ko rodien ke 25 November mi mo pan cha nyok mi woy ke je ka wet resource ka cha nyok ja ka petroleum ala under secretary so jenta dan le rode so ti da ka le kon de kon gutin mi jiram jidit gwas me ka Changfied YouTube channel goro jin bi subscribe ko vi notification ba bi jetwan ko bi le kon lat ko rin bi kan chwa mala shi ko ji ani bi ataka mal bye bye